Oh, we've got a pre-owned truck fit for a king and a queen. This is a pre-owned 2022 Ford F-150 King Ranch Edition. We've got a ranch hand brush guard, color matched, white frosty paint. I love it. EcoBoost underneath the hood. We've got those chromed wheels, King Ranch Edition, and those Yokohama all-terrains. Okay, we've got electric side steps, King Ranch everywhere, leather heated and vented, big huge console, wireless charging connectivity. We have our controls for our AC. Also the radio, guess what? Yes, it does have a 360-degree camera. We also have a power inverter in front, 12 volts of power, different drive modes, also pro trailering, a trailer brake controller, full digital cockpit, electric pedals, electric tilt, panoramic sunroof, B&O premium sound system, seating for 5, center console or center armrest with cup holders. We've got another power inverter, USB hub, 12 volts of power, heated second row air, plenty of room here for cargo, and a cargo management system right here. Oh, look at that. The factory cleat's ready to go. There's not one speck of dirt back here. I don't even think the bed has even seen lumber. We got power and LED lights. We put the tailgate up. We're ready for our trailer. King Ranch big time on this pre-owned 2022 Ford F-150 King Ranch Edition with all the trimmings right here at Payne Pre Owned McColl. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have that King Ranch Ford pre-owned truck that you want. Look at Tu Quieres regardless.